Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Seminyak area during emergency lockdown for Bali. Let's check it out. Hello you guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Today we will explore Seminyak area during the pandemic corona and lockdown for Bali. Now we are in Kayu Aya Street. It's the most famous street in Seminyak. You see the right side, there's red carpet night bar, but closed. Also left side, Lala Villa. There's closed also. The night bar is closed during emergency lockdown. Even the shop must be closed. Okay, in this Kayu Aya, as I told you before, is very famous for the restaurant. So in this area, we have very famous restaurant as Romours restaurant, Ultimo, Sisterfield, and a lot else. But during emergency lockdown, they closed the restaurant. And also during the emergency lockdown, the light must be some off. So this looks so dark. See left side, Romours restaurant, but closed. Ultimo restaurant right side, also closed. And hotel Amanda left side, closed. It's very quiet. And I make this video on 9 p.m. in the night time. So this is the real condition at the moment in Seminyak area in 9 p.m. Looks so very quiet, no people. So you can see left side and right side, all the shop is closed. At the front there is Seminyak Square, but also closed. And now we turn right from Kayu Aya Street, and then we will explore Jati Street. Okay, now we are in Jati Street. On the left side, actually there is a big mall we call Seminyak Village, but they closed. You see, it's very dark, isn't it? Actually, in this area we have a lot of hotel. And then usually, lots of people walk around here on the sidewalk until like 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. But now you can see, it's very quiet. Nobody there. Left side is big hotel, but so dark and so very quiet. Also right side, there's the hotel too. Oh, some car parking. I think some people there. And in the right side, actually there is mexicola night bar. Always busy in the night time, but it's closed also. Okay, from Kayu Jati Street, we will explore Petitenget Street. We continue driving and make video. Actually, in Petitenget also is very famous street because in this area we have a lot big hotel, also night bar. Left side is big hotel. Along the street, I'm gonna see like 50% hotel and 50% shop. And usually in this area I was busy, but you see now it's very quiet. Actually, our government planning emergency lockdown start from 3 of July until 20 of July. But our government now extended until 2 of August. So it's like 1 month Bali and Java get locked down. So very quiet, isn't it? W Hotel website. Left side, there is hotel. But so very quiet. As my friend told me, Bali looked like a ghost town during the night time. Very sad, isn't it? It's very quiet. You see left side? There's the big hotel too. But just no people there. Or there is some people walk around. Just local people. Okay guys, if you don't mind, if you're interested with this video and if you want to know more update about Bali, just please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Also don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the situation in Bali during the pandemic corona. And actually in this video I make video around 7-minute video without skip because I just want to show you how the real condition at the moment in Seminyak area. Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in Seminyak area during emergency lockdown for Bali. So still very quiet, isn't it? So we hope together all the problem with the pandemic corona will be over as soon as possible so we can be live like normally. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.